How to connect to a VPN in laptop. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, whether you're using a Windows or Mac, we are going to show you how to connect a VPN. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So one of the things we can do is we can use Windows built-in VPN settings. So press Windows plus I to open up your settings, and within there go to the option called Network and Internet. After you go to Network and Internet, there you should be finding different options. One of those is VPN, so click on it. And here we can click on this option called Add VPN. And here provide in these details. So provide in your connection name, your server name or address, your VPN type, and your username and password, which is optional. And just go and click on Save. And then click on the VPN and you can choose the option to connect. And that way you should be able to be connected. Apart from that, what we can do is if you don't have a VPN, there are a bunch of VPN available online that we can search for. So open up a browser and search for VPN. And once we search for VPN, here are different VPNs available such as Express, Nord, and many other options. So all you gotta do is download and install the one that is from the provider's official website. Look out for the install option and go ahead and install it. And you can choose a country and a server and click on connect. Otherwise, we can also add up an extension in your browser. Look out for the three dot in the top right corner and select the option for extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. Once you have done so, basically search for the option called VPN here and hit enter, and there we can find VPN. You can use the VPN that you want and add it to Chrome. Once it is added to Chrome, you should be finding this file option that we can open up and look out for the pin option. Pin up your VPN, and in order to turn it on, you can click on your VPN and look out for this option. Just turn on the toggle and your VPN will be connected. You can choose a bunch of other countries that you would like to choose as VPN from, and that should do it. And that's it everybody. This is how you should be able to use VPN on laptop. So we hope this video was helpful